Before you buy Notion, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're considering it for personal productivity or team collaboration, these key points will help you decide if it's right for you. Unlike tools like Evernote or Trello, Notion offers a unique all in one workspace, but it's not without its pros and cons. The first thing you should know is that Notion is incredibly customizable. You can create your own workflows, databases, and layouts. Unlike competitors like Trello, which has more rigid task management, Notion lets you build a system that works exactly how you want. But this comes with a learning curve. It's not as intuitive as other tools out of the box. Next thing to consider is its all-in-one nature. Notion combines notes, tasks, databases, and calendars all in one place. This makes it a powerhouse compared to tools like Google Keep or Asana, where you might need multiple apps to achieve the same thing. However, the downside is that this can get overwhelming if you don't know how to organize everything properly. The third thing you should know is its flexibility with teams. You can collaborate on documents in real time, making it a great choice for group projects. But if your team is larger, say over 10 people, the experience can get a bit clunky. For smaller teams or solo use, though, it's a great solution. The fourth thing to note is Notion's offline capabilities. While it works well when you're connected, offline use isn't as reliable as some of its competitors like Evernote, which offers a smoother offline experience. If you need access to your work without an internet connection, Notion might be a deal breaker. Now, the fifth thing is its integrations. Notion has limited third-party integrations compared to other tools like Zapier. While it integrates well with Google Drive, Slack, and a few other tools, you might find yourself missing certain integrations that competitors like Monday.com or ClickUp offer. The sixth thing is performance. While Notion is a great tool, it can get slow with large databases or heavy content. If you're a heavy user with complex pages, tools like Trello or ClickUp may perform better and provide a more seamless experience. Next thing, customization for appearance is a real highlight. Notion allows you to design your pages however you want, including using custom icons and layouts. This makes it stand out from more structured competitors like Todoist or Microsoft To Do, which are more basic in design. The eighth thing is that Notion offers a free plan. The free plan is robust, offering most of the features you need, especially for individual use. But if you need more advanced features, like unlimited file uploads or advanced permissions for teams, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Still, compared to alternatives like Evernote, it's a very affordable option. The ninth thing is its mobile app. While Notion's mobile experience is solid, it can feel a bit limited compared to other apps like Google Keep or Evernote, which have more refined and faster mobile apps. If you're constantly on the go and need fast access, this might be a downside. The 10th thing is the lack of task dependencies. Unlike ClickUp or Asana, which allow you to set up complex task dependencies for project management, Notion's task management is more freeform and simple. While it works for smaller projects, it's not ideal for managing detailed workflows with multiple steps and dependencies. The 11th thing is Notion's template library. It has a huge collection of user-generated templates, covering everything from personal goals to business planning. While this is a plus, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect template or figure out how to use them effectively without proper guidance. Finally, it's important to know that Notion can be a great tool for a specific use case. It's not for everyone, especially if you prefer simpler, more streamlined productivity tools like Google Keep or Todoist. But if you enjoy customization, it's a strong contender. All in all, Notion is a good option for those who need a versatile, all-in-one workspace for both personal and team productivity. But if you're looking for something that's more user-friendly or performs better with large teams, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.